We are just outside of Unit A2 at 3800 Plowden Road. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, 2-story townhome-style apartment, brick building. So we're looking out towards the parking lot now. You can see open parking in the lot. And as we enter the unit, you have a covered front porch area here. Apologize for the bright light there, but laminate hardwood flooring in the entry, and also kitchen or laminate vinyl plank flooring, and then that's also in the bathroom upstairs as well. But you have the stairs going to the left since you come in, and then the kitchen off of the entry here. So you have a refrigerator, electric stove, wood style cabinets, and sink is looking out towards the dining and living areas. View back towards the door there. So you do have laundry closet inside the bifold doors here. Floors continue into there. Pretty nice sized laundry room. Some space for storage as well. And then you have your dining area open to the living room. And you have carpet pretty much throughout the rest of the house. Nice sized living room. You have a covered back patio here. It's outside. Storage room there as well. And then back inside. So we'll take a look upstairs. So you have both bedrooms and the full bath that they share upstairs. So once we get on the second level, you have an attic pull down there. Also a linen closet here in the hallway. And then you have 2 bedrooms. The first is front facing. It's the larger of the 2, not by a ton. Window looking out towards the front, and then you have a nice sized closet here. So a smaller kind of walk in, and then the second bedroom at the back. 2 closets here. So you actually may consider this the master. It just depends on what you need. And then back out to the hall. So that completes our tour of 3800 Plowden Road, Unit A2. You can find out more information about this home by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com, or you can give us a call at 803-407-8522.